peeling oil. Now this is the peeling oil. We are adding yellow peeling oil to it because we want it to peel the skin. We want it to exfoliate deep. Remember, the more liquids you add to your scrub, the more soft it becomes. And that's why I have this sugar at the side. Can you see how it's looking now? Wow. Channel is again Extreme Beauty Therapy. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video, because I promise that in this channel there's not going to be any dulling moments, and you are going to be getting a lot of reviews, a lot of formulation, a lot when it comes to skin and every other thing. Generally, you'll be getting it from this channel. So let me not take much of your time. Let's go to the business of today. Today we are going to be making a peeling whitening emulsifying scrub. Yes, it's going to be an emulsifying scrub. It's going to peel, it's going to whiten. It's a scrub that will do it all anyway. So let's just look at the ingredients we are going to be using for this scrub. Number one, here we have here white sugar. And we all know that sugar contains glycolic acid, which is a natural exfoliant that helps to control the production of melanin. So that's why we choose to use this white sugar. I would have loved to use the brown, but I just decided to use the white one because I want my scrub to be white. I just want it to be plain. I want it to look so yummy. Apart from it's going to be yummy on the face, it's still going to be yummy on the skin. So that is for the sugar. Another item we have here, we have our waxes. We have here our e-wax, which is just it's just a thickener, and we have here our stearic acid. I'm supposed to use beeswax in this, but unfortunately I don't have e-wax, but I still have to. I'm going to use this stearic acid to complement what I am making today. And we also have here citric acid. We all know that citric acid is loaded with antioxidants that helps to protect the skin barrier. It is also a natural exfoliant that helps to take rid of dead skin cells on the outer layer of the skin. So that's why I choose to add citric acid to this scrub, because I want to make it an exfoliating scrub. So that's it. Then we have here our butters. In here we have our cucumber butter, in here we have our mango butter, and here we have our shea butter. Okay, now cucumber butter is a powerful moisturizer that helps to whiten the skin, to prevent any skin issue. It rejuvenates the skin. It's so good when you are using this cucumber butter. Now shea butter is loaded with antioxidants. Shea butter has more benefits more than cucumber butter, but just that it darkens some people if they don't know how to do their mix, so they always have issue with shea butter. Then mango butter is a great moisturizer as well. Then we also have a vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil nourishes the skin and lightens scar. And we have here emu oil. Emu oil helps to reduce wrinkles, rejuvenate a skin, lighten the skin, make the skin glow. So that's all we have here. We also have here sweet orange essential oil, and we also have here rosemary essential oil. So that's all. So, and we also, okay, now another item we have is our peeling oil. Peeling oil is going to help peel. Why I decided to make this course, because some people, they find it difficult to use peeling oil. When they use peeling oil, they're gonna have a lot of issue, because most of them, they don't really know how to use peeling oil. And peeling oil is not for everybody. Please, it's not for everybody, especially in this part of the world we have with the Nigerians, the Africans. We need to know how to use peeling oil, because I've seen a lot of clients come to me with a different kind of burns, and when you try to find out what causes the net, you find out that it's peeling oil. So this scrub, if you are scared of using peeling oil, if you don't know how to use peeling oil, just get this scrub or just make this scrub. Your skin is still gonna peel. You're still gonna help to treat whatsoever you are treating. So then we start with what we are going to do today. This is our butters and this is our waxes. We are going to pour all together, and we we are going to melt it in a double boiler. So stay tuned. Let me use a double boiler method to melt this, and I will be back. All right guys, welcome back. So this is our oil and our butter. This is our butter and our thickener. It has already been melted. So what we are going to do now, we are just going to let it stay for a little while so it's gonna cool. We have here castle soap that we are going to add to it to make it foamy a little bit. So here is our sugar. Here is our sugar. What we are going to do, we are just going to add half of this. Then we bring in our oil. We pour our oil into it and mix. Remember, if this your sugar or your oil is too much, you can add more sugar. If the sugar is too much, you can add more oils. Please, this is not your regular scrub. This is a peeling scrub because it contains a lot of peeling agents, and these are citric acid. We add all our citric acid into it. We stir it very well. Can you see how it's looking? It's looking so nice. It's looking extremely nice. Then we have here our vitamin E oil. We are going to use 10 ml of this. Look at it. We're using 10 ml of this vitamin E oil. Then our Emo oil. We are using the same quantity, 10 ml. I don't like the way it's being soft now, so I'm going to add more sugar. While doing this, don't pour all your sugar at once. Just be adding it gradually to get the best consistency you want. I don't want my scrub to be very watery. Remember, we still have our soap base at the corner that we are going to add, and we also have our peeling oil. Now this is the peeling oil. We are adding yellow peeling oil to it because we want it to peel the skin. We want it to exfoliate deep. Remember, the more liquids you add to your scrub, the more soft it becomes. And that's why I have this sugar at the side. Can you see how it's looking now? Wow. This is really nice. I'm making just little quantity of this because the one I'm using is finished already. This is for my personal use. Then I'm going to add my essential oils now. This is the rosemary. I'm adding 10 drops. Then I'm going to add my sweet orange essential oil. This sweet orange makes this product to smell amazingly. Apart from the benefit of essential oils, because I don't want to use any fragrance in this, this is how our scrub turns out to be. Wow, the fragrance is already out. Oh, I love this. I love this scrub so much. So, and here we have our castle soap. I'm going to add 20 ml of the castle soap. Yeah, it's 20 ml here. So we got this foamy consistency. Once you add your castle soap, it's going to make your scrub to be more thicker. You can still add more, and that is what I'm going to do. I don't want it to be very light. You see how it's looking now. You can add more castle soap to it. So now our peeling emulsifying whitening scrub is ready. Remember, if you want to make this for sale, always add preservative. I'm not supposed to add preservative. I don't want to anyway. I do add sometimes, but since it's going to be left in your shower room, there should be preservative in it, so that if any water come in contact with it, it's not gonna contaminate the product. This is not going to be in my bottle. This is going to be in my fridge. Anytime I want to use it, I will just scoop it and use. Can you see how it looks? So I'm just gonna transfer this into my jar. Please, if you know you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. And if there is anything you want us to talk about, you can just drop it at the comment section, because my number is still gonna be at the comment section. So our scrub is ready. Our whitening, peeling, emulsifying scrub is ready. This scrub can be used. This scrub can be used anytime, especially when I know I see that my skin is not actually well. I use this scrub. It's not a scrub I use on a regular basis because it's actually helps to peel the skin. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thanks for staying with us till the end. Thanks for always stopping by. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. I'm going to leave my number at the description box. If you have any question, you have any inquiries, you can always get back to us. Thanks and have a nice day.